Here's a great model year in a Cadillac. Check this one out. 1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan. Beautiful in black. This is originally a black car, paint code of 1. Interior is trim, number 37. Should be gray dual cord and gray plain broadcloth. So still looking very much like it would have back in 1949 when it rolled off the Cadillac dealer's showroom floor. Take a look at the bright work up front, all that chrome. Of course, it really pops with the black and stands out. 331 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Flying Goddess hood ornament. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us. 507-386-1726. Cadillac wheel covers and wide white wall radials. Now, as you can see, the black paint does show well, has a nice shine to it, good luster. It's black. You may find a touch up here or there, but overall, be a fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches over here in the passenger side. You're also going to notice the fender skirts, rock guards. How fun would this be to take down the road? We'll get around to the driver's side, check out the interior a little bit closer. Looks very stock in the interior as well as the exterior. Another thing to remember is Unique Classic Cars does consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may even be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at the reflection in that trunk. Chrome in the rear. Of course, in the 49, gas spill. Check this out. Definitely don't make them like that anymore, huh? UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. And remember, we have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car. Maybe you can't make it yourself due to time or distance. Not a problem. And again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches down the driver's side. Nothing major. Like I said, you may have a touch-up here or there, and I don't even know if I can find one to point out. Really on the hood or fenders, you can see nice shine to it, but you may find a small imperfection here or there, but overall, wow. Elegant car. Let's take a look at the rear seats, door panels, armrests, be like riding in your living room chair going down the road. Listen to that door. Another thing I noticed is look at how everything fits. How even those door seams are. Latches and handles all working well. Of course, clear title to this car. Actually, New Mexico, so Southwest car, which may explain why it seems so solid. And then check out this steering wheel. Nice shape considering how I see a lot of 49 steering wheels. And trust me, it's tough to find them like that anymore. All right. Turn the key on. And of course, starter's right here. Pump it a little bit. Starts as easy as that. See the gauge cluster? Didn't really play with the radio much in this one at all. I'm going to go with radio and op. Dash looks good. It looks like that could be the original headliner even. Listen to that door close. Wow. I'm going to show you the trunk too, because it looked like there was some maybe fabric for another headliner or for redoing the headliner. So there is fabric here. Jack, of course. Just wanted to show you how nice that trunk is also. We'll take a look underneath the hood too here in a second. There you get an idea how it runs. Sounds like you'd expect. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. There we go. Get a look underside of the hood. Kind of tough to see. Looks like you'd expect also. Here it is, 331 V8. Paired up with that automatic transmission. It's pretty stacked underneath here too. Nothing too crazy over the top. Smooth runner though, wow. Be a fun one to take down the road. You know how nice this one drives out. 1949 Cadillac Series 61 Sedan. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. What a luxurious car. Remember, we do consider trades, cars or trucks. Financing is available. We can sure assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1949 Cadillac. This is a four-door. Lots of room in the back for passengers. That classic luxury Cadillac ride. Quiet running motor. Smooth riding suspension. This car's got all of that. Our blower motor's working, as do the wipers. Accelerates as you would expect. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it very easy to drive. Comfortable bench seating in this car. Plenty of headroom. Great visibility. And such style in a 49 Classic Cadillac. As we go down the road here, if I let go of the wheel, this car stays where you put it. Maybe a little slack in the steering. That is to be expected with a car from this era. It doesn't affect performance very much. Brakes are working well. That black and chrome, such a great look to this car. And the dash is brown with a texture on it. Almost looks like wood. Very cool. And if you push the throttle down, the transmission does kick down, give you a little more power. We have a clock over here.